Welcome to Southeastern Ohio Solar Haven once again. So today I thought I would post up a picture montage of how everything was built. And as you see there in the first picture, it was the starting of the footings, mixing concrete, and all that, laying out everything. As you see in the background, the 6 big original panels that are on the solar array right now are leaning up against some poles and stuff. They were put there temporarily to get some charging going on and everything. And it turns out that most of the footings were probably around 4 feet deep on the average. I think I had 1 or 2 that was close to 5 feet, but most of the average was 4 foot. And in this upcoming picture here, that'll be changing here. As you'll see that, that's when I got all the footings installed and everything. Stretching the steel across it because I use super stretch, so his bolt knees down. Most of the bolts, probably 13. Well, I think I take it back. 12-inch bolts. That's what I use. 12-inch, 3/4-inch bolts. And here in this next picture, you'll see that, the frames all together. We're putting in some, I get reinforcement rails to keep it from rocking sideways on the back end of it. At this point, we were mounting rails on top too for the solar panel mounting, but apparently I got lazy and didn't take a picture of that. Here, coming up in the next few pictures, you'll see where and how they were bolted down. The bolts were stuck in the concrete pretty deep, and we just bolt them down just like that with a 3/4-inch bolt, washer, and nut, and clamp them down to the ground, or to the concrete pylon, as you want to say. And in the next couple of pictures, you'll see there's examples of how I put this whole unistrut system together. The pictures will go by pretty quick. Here you can see where I basically got the panels and racks all together and power ran. And you'll see how I bolted some of this together and how the panels were mounted to the unistrut too, because there's a clip here in that picture. And certain angles, and there's the pile of unistrut right here that I was using. And right here at the end is the finished picture. Now, as you look there, and off to the left, there's 2 extra panels I actually added to this rack because I wanted more power, and I didn't really stretch it out too much. But that's the finished product there. I hope you enjoy the pictures and everything, and if you want to just pause on one, take a look and see what happened and everything. But anyway, this is going to end this story for tonight. And I want to give a shout out to a couple of YouTubers. First one would be Southern Ohio Solar Homestead and DIY Solar Homestead. And Chris DIYer for encouraging me to start the channel. Guys, keep looking, keep watching, keep in sunny skies, and have a good one.